os.makedirs doesn't understand in my path. I have a little problem with in my paths. This code example creates some directories called /some_dir and do not understand that I wanted to create some_dir in my home directory. Note this is on a Linux-based system.
You need to expand the tilde manually.
The conversion of /some_dir to $home/some_dir is called tilde expansion and is a common user interface feature. The file system does not know anything about it. In Python, this feature is implemented by os.path.expanduser.
That's probably because Python is not Bash and doesn't follow same conventions. You may use this.
If you want to see more, please review this channel.